You just keep on population it. Yeah. It will. It will append everything. Now, what we have done is, instead of giving R in the common in the message, rather than hard coding the message. Right. We could have just written here either name or employee. ID is blank. But that'll be a kind of a hard coding. So what we did? We excluded that hard coding out of Cloud Log and we put it in a variable here in the eval. Right. Now what will happen is, say after this, where should the flow go? Flow should go to the next component, right? Say, for example, this, another async I want to put now. After this, what ideally should happen is there is another part which needs to be done is off. The warning right now. Let me first put another local out. Right. And name it as generate log. Okay. I will connect it to this. And I will give a local in. I will change it. Generate log. Okay. Async. Not async. First is. You're okay. Generate log file. Okay. Save it. And here I am just doing this. I'm putting an async and I have to do what? How to generate a file? Generate log file is using a component called store. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. And in store, you remember integration log. Ones. Okay. So this is the name. Yeah. Now the main important stuff input. Input to this log will be a message. No, it will be a variable. And what will be the variable name? Is the name what we have given to the cloud log, which is this log control. See? And I will put that variable here and save it. Yeah. Yeah. Right. And then let me save it. But I have to connect this generate log to this. And why we have separated this? Generate log. Can we add it? You know, as another step in the second swim lane. Okay. Let me tell you about that. So basically int. Test log, generate log next. And finish. Okay. Now see the way it works. Start here. Come here, call splitter. Right after, call splitter where it will go. It will come to in splitter. Right. Now here is a splitter. Again it will say the input file has 5 rows. It will execute 5 times. Yeah. 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 5 times. What will happen is first row come. There is an error, right? Error will be logged here. Yeah, after that, if you have a store step here, what will happen? It will generate 5 files because every time the splitter does a splitting, it will call the store step. Right. But if you have a separate call, what happens is this call splitter, which is this one. Until this full step finishes, then only it will go to the next generate log. Right. So the way it works is, start here, come to call splitter, now execute this step. Once it is done processing, then the flow will go back to call splitter and after that it will go to generate log. Yeah. So that means, why you haven't added a sync mediation blank there? That is nothing. I was thinking of doing another stuff, but it is nothing like that. Okay. Okay, so let me first. Instead of this, whatever is here, I will just put a log here. And let's save it. And now let's see how it goes. Yeah. Now we have an error for blank employee ID and blank name. Right in the right step. How many do we have? We have one, this one and 2 rows. Right. These 2 rows. One doesn't have an employee ID and the other doesn't have the name. Yeah. Now let's see that. Right now we will just see the log. But then we will have to again generate in this file the warnings as well. Right now we are only handle the error. Yeah. Okay. Integration launch, but this will give you a fair good idea of what is coming up in the log. Okay. That means there is some error. Empty input file. Empty input file. Let's see. Retrieve log file. I want to consolidate it. So completed, 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 completed. Error invoked. Error invoked. Async 2. Validate expression. This one is a send error. That's fine. What's there in the C value? Context error message. Send error invoked. Unable to resolve property. Right. Procs message. Context error message. Okay. Fair enough. That means this, some syntax is what I am missing. Okay, I don't have to give the brackets in the end. That's what it is. Save. Okay. Cool. And you will get similar kind of errors like this, right? Okay. And it's pretty common. Even a person who is experienced sometimes will not know what the error is.